Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage, supports immune function, and plays a role in nerve and muscle health. But what happens when your body doesn't get enough? Today, we'll uncover how to recognize vitamin E deficiency, the activities and diets that might contribute to it, and how to manage this deficiency, even with dietary restrictions. Let's dive into it. How to recognize symptoms of vitamin E deficiency. Vitamin E deficiency can affect multiple systems in the body. One of the earliest signs is muscle weakness due to oxidative stress affecting nerve cells. Over time, individuals may experience difficulty with coordination and balance, as vitamin E is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function. Vision problems can also arise because of damage to the retina, leading to potential long-term complications. Additionally, a weakened immune system can result in increased susceptibility to infections, and in severe cases, nerve and muscle damage can become irreversible. Activities do's and don'ts. A sedentary lifestyle with little physical activity can exacerbate symptoms like muscle weakness and poor coordination. On the other hand, engaging in regular movement, especially exercises that promote circulation and muscle strength, can help counteract some of the effects of deficiency. Activities such as yoga, light resistance training, and walking can support overall muscle and nerve health. Additionally, exposure to pollution and excessive oxidative stress from smoking or environmental toxins can deplete vitamin E levels, making it even more important to maintain a balanced diet. Diets or foods that might cause symptoms. Vitamin E is primarily found in fatty plant-based foods such as nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Diets that are extremely low in healthy fats, such as very low-fat or restrictive diets, can contribute to vitamin E deficiency. Additionally, individuals with conditions that affect fat absorption, such as Crohn's disease or cystic fibrosis, may struggle to get enough vitamin E from food alone. How to reduce symptoms with dietary restrictions. For those with dietary restrictions, incorporating vitamin E-rich foods like sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocado into meals can help boost levels. Individuals who avoid nuts and seeds due to allergies can opt for fortified cereals, spinach, and olive oil as alternative sources. Those without dietary restrictions can enhance their intake through a variety of plant oils, nuts, and leafy greens to ensure optimal vitamin E levels. Food for thought. Did you know that vitamin E works closely with other antioxidants, like vitamin C, to protect your cells from damage? This means that consuming a diet rich in a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can enhance the effects of vitamin E and support overall health. The balance of these nutrients is key to maintaining a strong immune system and preventing long-term oxidative stress. Vitamin E deficiency can have serious consequences, but recognizing the signs and making thoughtful dietary choices can support lasting health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy.